Nancy is 3 months into our neuropathy program, and she's experiencing some great results. So we just wanted to touch base with her. And Nancy, why don't you share how you're doing?
I'm shocked at how much better I'm doing. I really am, because I came in hoping for some help and never dreamed that it would be this significant.
It's amazing. I mean, Nancy shared with me a few things. You shared with me that you're no longer using your cane.
I stopped using the cane.
Yes.
I had gotten to where I couldn't really get around without the cane. The pain, balance were both so bad.
Right. You know, whenever she came in here, there were things that she couldn't even feel. We would touch ice to her and she wouldn't even feel it. And did you feel it today?
Yes.
Yay,
yes. In fact,
so
one of the things that you do is the little pinprick thing. And I remember last time I couldn't even feel it on my right foot at all. I thought you were hitting it with something soft-ended. And this time I could feel the pinpricks, and some of them even felt as strong as the base feeling.
So amazing. Nancy's a sweetheart, and we're so happy to have her, and we just can't wait for the next 3 months. For you.
I feel like you guys saved my life. I mean, I can't say it any other way. You did.
I want to give you a hug. Is that okay?
No.
I'm gonna cry.